Hello, everybody. Welcome to week 22. I'm going to quickly go over your assignments for this week. First things first, you'll notice that week 22 and week 23 are lumped together in the same week. That's because I've split the assignments between the 2 weeks, but they still have individual due dates. So you'll need to pay attention to what week you're working in and when they're due. I did this because I don't want somebody procrastinating until the end of week 23 to do all of the assignments for 2 weeks, because you will not get that done and I won't accept it because you procrastinated. All right. So if you click into week 22, you'll see you'll have access to these 4 things: the directions, which I'm recording right now, the assignment that has all of the parts for both week 22 and week 23, the assembly picture, and then right now you'll have access to week 22's assignments. Next week, you'll have access to week 23's. But like I said, I'm not giving you access to 23 right now. So if I open up the 3.11 screw jack assembly, you'll see the different pieces that you'll be working on this week. This is the whole assignment itself. Here are all the pieces, and here's an assembly front view and top view. Note that this drawing is in metric. So this assignment, you're going to need to change your properties and change your units so that you can actually draw this in millimeters. But if you scroll down, you'll start seeing the parts themselves. So you're doing 4 parts this week, and you can see the due date for each part next to the part. So part 1, it says don't worry about creating a thread, just make the inside hole have a diameter of 38. So you're doing the nut, the cup, the screw, and the body. Those are the 4 parts you're doing this week. And if you click into week 22, you will see that there are 4 turn-ins. You'll open it up, go into the assignment, and you will paste a picture of your finished part from Onshape into this assignment for grading. I know this is different than last week where I only had you turn 1 in and I had you submit them all in one, but I realized that is not I can't remember when I did that actually, but that's not, unfortunately, that is not the way we can do it. It does create a little bit more work for you, and it creates a lot more work for me. But if administrator were to go into my class, it wouldn't make sense for them to see 4 weeks of grades, but only have 4 assignments in 4 weeks, because we're supposed to have more than that. Or even if I have it split, I have 4 weeks and we only have 2 grades. Little do they know, if they were to click in, they'd see 10 individual projects in 1 assignment. So that's why I have it split into those individual turn-ins. So once you get one done, screenshot, paste it into the assignment, turn it in, and share it with me on Schoology. As I'm going through the assignment itself, I'm making little notations to any changes or anything that I think that you'll need. So you can see those there, so don't worry about that. But those are the assignments that I have for you this week, 4 assignments. Work on getting those done. Next week, we'll work on the last 3 in the assembly. If you have any questions, obviously feel free to ask me. Otherwise, I will see you guys in class. Bye.